Little Arthur, 2 years old, has a story to be told of big loud trucks, a mighty sight. His monster truck parade, what a delight. Monster trucks, rumble and roar. Big, big wheels going down the floor. Arthur's trucks, a colorful crew, coming to see me and you. Here comes the red one, shiny and bright, zooming so fast with all of its might. Then comes the blue one, strong and so bold, a story of adventure waiting to unfold. Monster trucks, rumble and roar. Big, big wheels going down the floor. Arthur's trucks, a colorful crew, coming to see me and you. Look at the green one, watch it go high, jumping way up to touch the sky. The yellow one's next, a sunny surprise, driving so quickly before our very eyes. Monster trucks, rumble and roar. Big, big wheels going down the floor. Arthur's trucks, a colorful crew, coming to see me and you. Big wheels turning, moving so fast, jumping up high, built to last. When Arthur's trucks go driving by, we all look up, way up high. Monster trucks, rumble and roar. Big, big wheels going down the floor. Arthur's trucks, a colorful crew, coming to see me and you. Yeah, Arthur's monster trucks, what a treat, making big sounds with their giant feet. Beep, beep, vroom, vroom, they're on their way. Arthur's parade brightens our day.